Welcome back to another episode of Sushi and Popcorn. Once again, I'm Delia, and I'm so glad that I was able to come back on here and jump back into the mix. Got a little busy, so we missed a couple. No, we missed a couple of days of updates. So I'm just back. Things are, finally calming down. So without any further ado, I'm checking out ATEEZ, HALA HALA. Never seen the video, but this group is really starting to grow on me. I really fucks with this group. So let's just jump straight into it and check it out.
떨린다 떨린다 내 가슴이 뛰고 있다 처음 느낀 이 감동이 새로운 나를 만든다 필름으로 내가만 넣은 그때 그거 둘이 시작점 아직도 하루에도 수백 번 더 come to my mind 주 발자국 사막의 한복판 죽음만 낮은 발 굴러서 만들어 모래바람이 저 끝에도 닿을 때까지 Deep in my heart, deep in my soul 피어나는 flashing light Deep down my heart, deep down my soul 꺼지지 않는 불씨처럼 fire yeah 좀 더 뜨겁게 멈출 수가 없게 hold up 터져버릴 것 같아 가자 hurry up now surprise 모두 get it box so size 더더 혁신 lightning let's get burning now surprise 모두 get it box so size 더더 혁신 lightning let's get burning now Raise me up, take me up, 매일 조금 더 Raise me up, take me up, 먼 곳으로
Yeah, 터뜨려 봄이 시작한 동시에 봄이 팍팍 뒤집을 꽃이 I feel like that 배 뽑힌 팍 Yeah, 변해진 가치 그래 바꾸지 마 끝이 변신의 가치는 가시온 이 시대 없는
Deep in
가치
my heart, deep in my soul 피어나는 flashing light Deep down my heart, deep down my soul 꺼지지 않는 불씨처럼 fire yeah 좀 더 뜨겁게 멈출 수가 없게 hold up 터져버릴 것 같아 가자 hurry up now surprise 모두 get it box so size 더더 혁신 lightning let's get burning now surprise 모두 get it box so size 더더 혁신 lightning let's get burning now Hey, hey, realizing sun Hot, hot, hot 뜨거워 Hey, hey, realizing sun 우리 아닌 누구 반박은 너 핫 뜨거워
burning 순간을 이제 들었네 Yeah, burning 사람 내 곁을 콜리네 Yeah, 선택은 없어 내가 전부 다 끌리는 대로 내가 가는 거리엔 몇번 없어 이 곡은 꿈꾸는 대로 Wow!
Surprise 모두 get it box So size 더더 혁신 Lightning let's get burning now
Oh. Okay, so I know a bunch of y'all about to jump on these comments here. Um, y'all gotta fill me in what's going on. Is this from a movie? Where did they get this inspiration from? But the shit was hot. I fucked with the song. I'm definitely going to test it out in the chuck list over there. I'm starting to really like these groups. They haven't let me down yet. Every song I've heard from them was hot. I'm not even gonna hold you. Their wardrobe was phenomenal. I loved it. I loved how it was shot. Um, my TV is like 4K, so or 5K or 6K. I don't remember, but it looked so real. It almost looked like I could just reach out and touch them, and it just looked really good on the screen. And then I guess they played up to that. You know what I mean? Cinematography wise, the transitions was dope. You didn't even notice when the dancers would come in from the sides. They were just right there. And I like how they brought the horn out, and they focused the red on that horn. That was dope as well. Just on the face mask, all of that. The transitions were smooth. Love the group. I mean, the song was hot. So you guys got to come back and check out another video with me for them, because I'm starting to get on a tease roll here. So until next time, you guys, please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you know the next time we are updating. Hopefully Keith will be back with us. Once again, I do apologize for that irritating ass buzzard that keeps going off. Once I get the electrician in here, he can take care of that shit. But I still had to drop content for you guys because we are serious about K-pop and this journey that we're on. And I'm glad that you're taking the time out to do it with me. But until the next time, you know, if you're not going to catch us here, make sure to catch us over on the Patreon. If you don't catch us there, just come back here. Give us some love by subbing or commenting. And in the meantime and in between time, you guys, please, 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 please be safe out there. Peace.